So guys, if you're in the DFW area and you would like for me to stop by and do a tour of your box, comment back down below if you need a toolbox to it. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a toolbox tour of a Craftsman tool chest. This is an at-home setup. One of my subscribers invited me to his home to take a tour of his box. All right, let's see what we got. Starting from the top, we can already see we have the Milwaukee dual charger for your M12 and your M18 batteries. Right here we have a Craftsman box, a carry box. I call it a tackle box. Inside we have a pump for your basketball, footballs, soccer balls. Inside is just some miscellaneous stuff, tape. So it's safe to assume with the tool chest, this box came with it. So it looks like we're right at 26 3/4 wide. And we're about 18 inches deep. And as I mentioned, it's a 4-drawer setup. Has a sticker on there that mentions each drawer has a 50-pound load rating. The bottom 3 drawers are 6 inches deep. So in the top drawer we have a hammer, we have a C-clamp, looks like we have a ratchet, a few screwdrivers, and like I said guys, this is an at-home setup, so you're gonna see things, tools maybe for working on your house, working on your car. We have some universal wall studs. Looks like a drill bit set, hyper tough. Get out of this drawer. Next drawer we have, looks like a Bosch hole saw kit. It's going from 1/4 inch all the way to 1 1/4 inch. A bag of zip ties. Those are always handy. You got your, I'm gonna say a DeWalt corded drill. You got a model number DW505. Looks like this thing has made its money over the years. Looks like we see a DeWalt charger. Box cutter. Let's get out of this drawer. Third drawer down we have, looks like a Ryobi Bluetooth speaker, 18 volt. It looks like we have a Ryobi, looks like a jigsaw, handheld jigsaw. We got a Makita drill. 18 volt. We got a model number 6391D. It's like a case of Stanley sockets, ratchets. From the boxes, it says a 1/4" drive, 3/8 drive, standard American English and metric, 97-piece set with 12 points. Looks like a good set. Got this drawer. Okay, now I see why we had the charger on the top. Bottom drawer we have Milwaukee. Looks like an 18 volt, 3/8 impact. Let's see if we can see the model number. I don't see the model number on this one. So let's see what's in the bag. We have a Milwaukee drill. And I will say, I'm a big fan of Milwaukee's drills. This is actually a drill driver, 1/2" chuck, model number 2606-20. Looks like the battery. Oh, surprise. Here go another Milwaukee. And this is an impact driver, 1/2" impact driver. We got model number, I'm getting behind, guys, 2656-20. So it looks like in the bag there was a kit. He had an impact driver and a drill, 2 batteries and a charger. We're gonna put that back. So there you have it, guys. We have the Craftsman 5-drawer setup, 50-pound drawer rating. For an at-home setup. Once again, guys, thanks for watching the channel.